Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to clean our Acer Nitro 5. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So before cleaning your laptop, Acer Nitro 5 laptop, it is important to ensure it runs efficiently and remains free from dust, dirt and overheating. So the first thing that you need to do is power down and unplug. Before starting, shut down your Acer Nitro 5 and unplug from any power resources. If possible, remove the battery if it's removable to prevent any electrical damage. Number 2 is to clean the keyboard. Use a can of compressed air to blow out dust and debris from between the keys. Hold the can upright and spray short burst. Dampen a microfiber cloth with a small amount of water or a screen safe cleaner. Gently wipe the surface of the keys. If you need a deeper clean, you can use a soft brush like paintbrush to clean around the edges of the keys. Number 3 is to clean the screen. Use a microfiber cloth to gently wipe the screen. Avoid using paper towels as they can scratch the display. For stubborn smudges, lightly dampen the microfiber cloth with water or a screen cleaner specifically designed for electronics. Number 4, clean the ports. Use compressed air to blow out dust and debris from the USB ports, headphone jacks and other openings. For tight spaces, you can use a dry cotton swab to gently clean around the ports. Number 5 is to clean the vents and fans. The cooling system is critical for maintaining optimal performance. Dust buildup in the vents can cause the laptop to overheat. Hold your laptop upside down and use compressed air to blow out the dust from the vents. Be sure to direct the air into the intake and exhaust ports, but do not hold the can too close to avoid moisture buildup. If you are comfortable with disassembling the laptop, you can carefully open the back panel, look at the fan and clean it with compressed air or soft brush. These steps should be performed cautiously or professionally. Number 6 is to clean the exterior. Wipe down the exterior with a microfiber cloth, dampen with a gentle cleaner. Avoid using harsh chemicals that could damage the surface. For stubborn stains, use a mild soap solution, but make sure to wipe it dry afterward. Regular maintenance. Perform a regular cleaning to prevent excessive dust buildup, especially around the cooling system. Keep the laptop on flat, hard surface to ensure good airflow and avoid overheating. So these are basically the points that you need to know in order to clean your Acer Nitro 5, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.